This is the Earth and Space Cycles Unit Test 2020. Read along as I read the test aloud. Listen to each question. You may stop this video and re-listen to any question over again. You may always use a bilingual dictionary to help you. You may not use your notes for this test. First, you need to get out a blank sheet of paper, and without looking at your notebook, draw a moon wheel and label it. Pause this video until you have done that. Once you have your moon wheel drawn from memory, then you may go back and listen to the test questions. First, enter your first and last name. Question number 1. What does the word waning mean? Growing or increasing? Shrinking or decreasing? Changing? Glowing or illuminated? Number 2. This picture best shows the word waxing, waning, rotation, revolution. Question number 3. How long does it take for the moon to take one complete trip around the Earth? About 7 days? About 2 weeks? About 4 weeks? About 1 year? Question number 4. What moon phase is shown in the picture? First quarter, waxing gibbous, waning crescent, waning gibbous. Question number 5. Make sure you're following along as I read. The picture below shows the orbit of the moon around the Earth. At which point in the Earth's orbit will a person standing on Earth see a waxing crescent moon? Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. Question number 6. In which location would the moon be in a waning crescent phase? So look at the picture. Position Q, position R, position S, position W. Remember that you may pause this video in order to give yourself a chance to look at your notes or the pictures. You can't look at your notes. You can look at your moon phase wheel that you drew. Question number 7. What phase would occur immediately before a waxing gibbous moon? First quarter, third quarter, full moon, waxing crescent. Question number 8. Alma recorded the phases of the moon in her science journal over a period of 4 weeks. On the 21st day, the moon was at position X. What moon phase would be observed 1 week after this? Waxing crescent, waning crescent, first quarter, or third quarter? Question 9. Students used records from the U.S. Naval Observatory to make the table below of the percent of the moon that was visible on each night in January 2011. Based on this data, what part of the lunar cycle occurred between January 5th and January 7th? So make sure to look at the table on the dates January 5th, 6th, and 7th. Your answer choices: waxing crescent, waning crescent, full moon, new moon. What moon phase is this? First quarter, waxing gibbous, waning gibbous, or waxing crescent? Next, the current moon phase is last quarter. When will a full moon occur? About 1 week? About 2 weeks? About 3 weeks? About 4 weeks? Remember to use your moon wheel that you drew at the beginning of this test. Next question. What moon phase is 2 weeks after first quarter? Full moon, waning gibbous, waxing gibbous, or third quarter? Next question. Find the moon phase labeled with the number 1. What position is 9 days later? Position 4, position 3, position 6, or position 2? Next question. Which of the following pictures shows the position of the sun and earth on the longest day of the year in the northern or top hemisphere? Your answer choices are option 1, option 2, option 3, or option 4. Make sure to look at each of the pictures carefully. Next question. A student shows a model of the Earth and the Moon to the class. Which picture shows how the Moon appears from Earth when it is in the position shown in this model? Is that option 1, a waxing gibbous, option 2, a waning crescent, option 3, a waning gibbous, or option 4, a waxing crescent? Next question. Nick is putting his daughter Layla to sleep. When they finished reading, Layla asks why the sun left the sky and turned it dark. What is the best explanation for why the sky is now dark? Your answer choices are: where they are living has turned away from the sun, where they are living has turned towards the sun, where they are living has tilted away from the sun, or where they are living has tilted toward the sun. Next question. The picture shows the Earth's orbit around the sun. Which position represents winter in the northern hemisphere? You can draw this on your blank piece of scratch paper and then label each of the seasons for the northern hemisphere. Your answer choices are position 1, position 2, position 3, or position 4. Next question. On Earth, what is the cause of day and night? The rotation of the moon, the rotation of the Earth on its axis, the Earth orbiting the sun, the revolution of the Earth around the sun. Next question. Make sure to look at this picture carefully as you answer this question. Which of the following best describes the days and nights shown in the diagram. Your answer choices. The northern hemisphere is having days that last longer than the nights. The southern hemisphere is having days that last longer than the nights. Both hemispheres are having nights and days that last the same amount of time. Final choice, both hemispheres are having days that last longer than the nights. The last question, how long does it take the Earth to move from point A to point C? Your answer choices, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. You may go back and listen to any question or work on any questions that you did not answer. When you are completely done with the test, make sure that you hit submit. Once you are done, you need to work on answering any missing assignments and getting those turned in before the end of class. If you do not finish before the end of class, make sure you talk to Ms. Partain or Ms. Munoz or Ms. Vela to figure out a time when you can finish your test.